If you want to speed up and optimize your Samsung Galaxy A37, then first of all, we're gonna go to the settings. Now over here in settings, we want to scroll down a little bit and we want to proceed to the device care. In here, we can tap on memory. We need to wait a couple of seconds. And then over here, we have the summary of memory and how much is being used, of course. So what you can do is you can tap on this clean now button, and this allows you to pretty much close apps that are running in the background, and this should help you release some of the memory. There we go. In my case, it didn't do much, but of course in your case it might be more effective. Besides that, it is of course recommended to go to the RAM Plus option, where we can increase the amount of RAM that we have on our phone. So we can switch from 4 GB, which is the standard choice, to 6 GB. Of course, we need to restart our phone if we made a change to apply these changes. This change actually, and you should be able to slightly improve the performance of the phone as a result. Now over here we can also see a quick summary in the device care of our phone, so if there is something that we can optimize, then you should be able to use the optimize button. Another thing that you might want to do is over here we have optimization or automatic optimization. And the automatic optimization includes automatic restart. Of course, you don't have to really use both of these options, but I think using restart when needed can be quite a good choice, so the phone can restart your phone automatically when performance issues are detected. So if you have been stuck with your phone at one point, if for example it got frozen and you couldn't do anything, and then perhaps allowing the phone to restart automatically might be a good choice. There's also the option that allows you to restart the phone automatically on schedule, so you can choose when exactly you want your phone to restart, so you can pick up your by yourself your time that is the most suitable for you. And besides these options, another thing that you can do is, of course, you want to check background apps from time to time or recents. You want to make sure that there are not so many apps running in the background, so if they are, you want to close them either individually or you can use the close all button, of course. And one more thing is, of course, the power saving mode. So if we go to settings and proceed to battery, then over here we have the power saving mode. And of course, it is a great tool that allows you to save the battery, quite a bit actually. But if you use, for example, the standard power saving mode, well, actually, if we use any power saving mode, then by default the performance is dropped. So in this case we limit CPU speed to 70%. So of course this slows down our phone and you might feel like it works slower than usually. So you might want to turn this option off, either turn off the performance this option, or you can just completely turn off the power saving mode. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.